Hello everybody, I'm on my 33rd day of self-isolation and social distancing, and to stop me from enjoying this weather outside, I'm going to make some stuffed parathas. Stuffed parathas are basically fried flatbreads, and in this flour I am going to put in some salt, half a cup of oil, give that a mix, and I'm going to put some lukewarm water in as well. Put little bits in. You don't want to put too much in at one time, and it's easier to put more water in than to take water out. It's coming together nicely. This is how it should look like after you stopped kneading it. Here are my lovely spring onions that I'm going to pick and put them into the paratha mix. My freshly picked spring onion. In true loop eater style, here's the mash I prepared earlier. To this we're going to add our favourite ingredients, you guessed it, chili flakes, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, half a tablespoon of salt. Give them a mix. Now I'm going to add the spring onions. Also going to add my famous frozen coriander, which I froze just before the lockdown. Give them a mix. The mixture is now ready, so we can stuff these into the chapatis and make some parathas. I'm going to make the balls. There. Sprinkle some flour on there so it doesn't stick to the worktop. And roll it. Gently, don't press on too hard. I've rolled 2 out. Now we're going to stuff it with the mixture that we made earlier. I've made them into patties and I'm going to put them onto this one. Yeah, the bigger one. Then pick the smaller one up and lay it on top, like so. And then just press the edges like that so it doesn't, the mixture doesn't come out, because we are going to be rolling this now. I'm going to get my rolling pin and gently roll it out like this. And that's how it'll end up. And now we're going to put it onto the tawa and make the paratha. The tawa is on the hob and it's getting nice and hot, and I think it's ready for our first paratha. Oh, good shot. Get some butter and just melt it onto the edges, like so. Going to flip it to the side and put butter on. I'm ready for it to cook. I've flipped it over and buttered the other side as well. Look at that, beautiful. Wow. It's ready to come off. Wow, look at that. That's going to be the best one yet. Look at how round that is. Put the oil on the edges. Wow. Turned it over, it's cooking nicely. Gonna oil it again. Nice. Yes. Got some mango achar with some spinach and potato curry with my desi jar and this stuffed paratha. Heaven. Yes, nice breakfast today. Wow, that was an awesome stuffed paratha breakfast. I really enjoyed that. If you like this video, then please like, comment, subscribe, and share amongst your friends. And please don't forget to click on that bell icon to stay up to date with my videos. Until tomorrow, goodbye.